Hi everyone, my name is Sohail Coelho, and I'm super excited to be able to talk about my next workshop that's happening December 15th here in Berlin, and it's called Who Am I? And the whole point of this entire workshop is basically to do two things. One is to really expand the vocabulary that you have to describe yourself, and to really kind of blow it up, and so that you're like, holy crap, I'm so much more than I ever thought that I was. That's the goal. The second piece is to understand that the answering of that question is a lifelong pursuit. And how I approach the answering of that question is actually through the process of living in a really conscious way that says, I know that with every step I take, every new thing that I do, every person that I meet shows me to me. And if I'm conscious about the encounter, I learn. So that's kind of the point, is those two things will be covered. Specifically, how this workshop will unfold is it's about 12 to 14 people, and there'll be music, a little bit of light movement, some shamanic visualizations. Basically, I'll guide you through a series of visualizations, and then group sharing, and then individual sharing. So that's kind of like the structure of the day. It's based on a model called life design. That's part of a workshop that I've taught for about 8 years now, and it's super effective. You know, it's like really, it goes deep, and it's basically like going into different parts of you to usher out and bring out all these parts of you that you haven't seen before. And we'll talk through the known self and parts of you that you are claiming and you're like, cool, I know who that is. We'll talk through what I call the society hidden self, aspects of you that your upbringing edited in you and was like, that's not cool. And so we'll talk about, well, what did you leave on the table because you had to as a child? But if you take it back now, what do you do with it? The you hidden you. We'll talk about the shadow self, and we're gonna go there because it's really important for us all to understand that in order to be whole beings in this physical realm, you have both the light and you have the shadow. Parts of you that are strong and powerful, and parts of you that are hurt. It's about understanding what are the gifts in that, and how do I incorporate it and start to accept myself with it so that I have a more cohesive understanding of who I am. And then it's the fear hidden you, aspects of you that fear prevent you from experiencing. And then we'll talk about the origin spirit. What is the spirit that sits behind it that basically fuels everything? So it's going to be an awesome day. I have no doubt that you're going to get so much out of it, both from an expanded vocabulary of who you are, to new perspectives on how to live, to new opportunities to be seen in this expanded state, and to see other people in this expanded state. So it's going to be awesome, and I really hope you all come. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me, and all the details and logistics are below. Who Am I? Berlin, December 15th. I look forward to seeing you there. Much love. Mwah.